You're working on a big project. You go to delete a temp file, hit the wrong shortcut, and boom, gone. Or worse, you plug in a USB drive or the SD card from your camera, and Windows hits you with that dreaded line. You need to format the disk before you can use it. But here's some peace of mind. More often than you'd think, your files aren't actually gone. Your computer just forgot how to find them. Quick heads up, this video is sponsored by EaseUS, but everything you're about to see is exactly how I used it myself. The first thing everyone tells you to do is right-click the folder, go to Properties, and check Previous Versions. If you have Windows File History or System Restore turned on, you can just drag your old files right back out. But look at this, mine is completely empty. But what if your file history is turned off? Or what if you need to recover files from a USB flash drive, where this native Windows method literally does not work at all? When the built-in tools fail, you need dedicated software. That's where EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard comes in, and you can recover up to 2 gigabytes of data completely free, which covers most emergencies. What makes it different is a feature called SmartSector Rebuild, or SSR. Heavily used SD cards and USB drives scatter your files into fragments. SSR skips the map. It reads the physical sectors directly, matches file signatures, and reconstructs the fragments itself. EaseUS is seeing up to a 30% higher recovery success rate on drives that have been heavily used. Let's put it to the test. Here's a USB drive with some documents and images on it. Watch. I'm going to select everything and delete it. Gone. The folder is empty. Now let's open EaseUS. Select the USB drive and click Search for Lost Data. It goes straight into a deep scan, and look, it's already sorting everything by file type as it finds it. Click into Images. There they all are. Documents, same thing, right where they should be. Let's get them back. I'll select the documents, which I want, and then the images, which I want, hit Recover, and choose where to save them. Pick a different drive than the one you're scanning so you don't overwrite anything still hidden there. So I will select my C drive, go into Videos, click New Folder, and select it to save the recovered files. Let's open the recovered folder. Everything is there. I'll open a few to double check. The documents are there. Let's open one to check it, and it's fine. Now let's go back, open the images, and check if they're fine too. Every page and document is original, not corrupted. Even the images are in full resolution and full size, fully recovered. Now, since we found our files and successfully recovered them, let's go ahead and stop the scan in the background. Now, let's look at a real-world creator nightmare. I have a video project open in CapCut right now. But watch what happens if the original raw footage on my drive gets accidentally deleted or corrupted. CapCut immediately hits you with this massive media lost error. Your timeline turns red, and the edit is completely ruined. Normally, this means starting over from scratch. But let's use EaseUS. I'll open the software, select my Project Assets folder, and click Recover. And there it is. There's our missing raw footage. I'll hit Recover, save it to my Safe folder, and move it right back to where CapCut expects it to be. And look at that! The second the uncorrupted file is recovered, CapCut automatically reconnects it. The timeline is completely restored. Full resolution, no glitches, and 0 re-editing required. Let's make it harder. This is my C drive. This folder is called emptied, and somehow it's completely empty. Files just gone. Let's open EaseUS again. This time I'll click Select a folder instead of the whole drive and point it right at emptied. Now it goes to work finding the files which got lost or deleted. And after searching for a few minutes, and boom, it found them. Let's recover the documents and save them. But watch what happens when I try to save the recovered files right back into the emptied folder on the C drive. And there it is. EaseUS actually throws a warning if you try to save back to the same drive you're recovering from. So I'll pick a different one instead, which is my USB drive. And there they are, every file right where it should be. So deleting a file or seeing a format error isn't the end of the world. A simple 3-step process, an industry-leading recovery success rate that rebuilds fragments other tools just give up on. That's what you get with EaseUS. We just proved all three, twice. Off a USB drive, and out of a folder that looked completely empty. I've dropped the free download below. Recover your first 2 gigabytes at no cost. If this saved you a scare, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks again to EaseUS for sponsoring this video.